Hello and welcome back to the JavaJive channel. Today we are going to be learning about HTML, CSS, JavaScript using CodePen. CodePen is a great way to learn about how all three of those languages interact in order to build a web page. So on my CodePen account, you can first see all the different pens that people have created, and they are available for you to look at. I found a good example of how to make an accordion. So here we have a section of HTML, here we have CSS code, and here we have some JavaScript. In this box down below, you can see your browser and how it would look like. So for this accordion to work, all you need to do is click on one of the boxes and it expands. So using divs, the developer of this code created these 5 boxes. In the CSS, they created different designs that tell you exactly what will happen when you click on the box. So for the .expand class, in the JavaScript, once you click on it, that triggers the function to get that class, which will create the background, the width, and the height to change. So this is a great example to add to your web page. If you need something like this, maybe it would be different words, and then once you click on it, you can see the definition of something. I created this animation in order to show what the code would look like in HTML and CSS. In my HTML, I added an image of the whale. Then in my CSS, I determined the width of the picture, the animation name, the duration, which is 5 seconds, and different things like I want it to move in alternating directions, and I want it to go on forever. So for the keyframes, this tells you when the animation is going to start and stop. So I used from and to, but you can also use percentages such as from and then 20%, 40%, 60%, and so on. So since I made the whale rotate, this uses the transform, which rotates the picture and also filters it. So then I decided I wanted to rotate it one way and then rotate it back. So this is just a fun little animation I decided to make. Another thing you can do with CSS is look at this CSS Zen garden. So this is a whole bunch of different designs that people upload, and you can look and see it's all the same HTML code, people just change the CSS. So this is one certain style, but then you can go and you can see the steel kind, and this is the same HTML but yet a different design. So it's super cool to see what all you can do. This tilts, these things move around. If we select a new design, here's another design. So this is just amazing because you can really see what all you can do with HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you next week.